Alright, so in this video we're going to learn the difference between AI, which is artificial intelligence, and ML, which is machine learning, and DL, which is deep learning, and DS, which is data science. If you want to learn about data science, you need to know about these four things. Alright, let's start. The first thing is artificial intelligence. What is artificial intelligence? Any machine that mimic human behavior, we'll call that machine that it has an artificial intelligence applications. Let me give you an example. Let's say if I'm driving a car and I see a red traffic signal. For me, my brain is going to tell me just stop the car right now because the traffic signal is red. If I'm driving a Tesla and there is an application inside Tesla car and the Tesla car sees or detect the traffic signal, it's red, and it will stop immediately by itself, then I can say that yes, Tesla has an artificial intelligence in it. In simple terms, if any machine or computer mimics the human behavior, we will call that this machine has an artificial intelligence. That's it. In artificial intelligence, here if you can check the Venn diagram, the subset of artificial intelligence, we have something called machine learning. Now I'm going to explain the machine learning, and I'm going to explain it in details in the next video, so bear with me right now. Okay, so the first thing you should know about machine learning, that it is one of the areas of AI, because we have something called deep learning also. We'll get to that. So what is a machine learning? In machine learning, we use machine learning algorithms in order to predict the outcomes from a given data. In order for me to explain machine learning in details, I'm gonna have to explain the traditional programming versus machine learning, and we're going to do that in the next video. So if you didn't understand what is machine learning, it's fine, we'll explain it in details. All right, okay, so here in machine learning, we give the data to the algorithm, and then the algorithms find pattern, pattern, and from that pattern it gives me the outcomes. Okay, so if I have a lot of data and let's say it's a big data, for some reason the machine learning algorithms is not going to give me the best results. So in that case, we're going to use deep learning. I'll give you an example. Let's say I am using I have a data for a bunch of patients in hospital, and the data is in a spreadsheet. It's in CSV format, comma separated value. It's an Excel spreadsheet, let's say, and it's a basic data, so machine learning algorithm is going to give me a good result. Okay, but what if I had images and I want to classify those images, or I have videos? I work in YouTube company, and they gave me a bunch of videos, let's say 20 terabytes or 1000 video, and they want me to classify those videos. Machine learning algorithms is not gonna give me a good result, so I'm gonna have to use deep learning. So basically, the main reason we have, but you can see that deep learning is a subset of machine learning, and it still counts as a artificial intelligence. But deep learning came into existence when machine learning algorithms didn't give me the best results, and because the data itself became complicated. I mean, like if you go back like 40-50 years ago, the only data that we had was a bunch of numbers and text, and then now we have images, videos, hashtags, tweets, links, images, emojis. So we have this type of videos, this type of data. So the data became complicated, it became big. So here we can see that it is a subfield of machine learning concerned with an algorithms inspired, but this algorithm is inspired by what? By the brain neural network, and it's called artificial neural network. Here in machine learning, when I said algorithms, we have many algorithms. We have linear regression, we have logistic regression, we have k-nearest neighbor, okay, we have decision tree, and we also have something called an artificial neural network. So the deep learning is actually based on artificial neural network. Okay, artificial neural network. And then we have something called data science, and I already explained what is a data science. Basically, data science, I have a bunch of data and I want to extract some information from that large volume of data, so I can use machine learning algorithms. And if I had a very complicated data, so I can use also deep learning. Since these two are a subset of artificial intelligence, you can see that data science covers all these three areas: artificial intelligence and machine learning and deep learning. This is what the Venn diagram means. I'll explain machine learning in detail in the next video when I explain traditional programming versus machine learning. See you in the next video.